fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so, got the cash app. Told him wipe a nigga no, say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can take that. And I really wanna know where I was at that, where the stash at. Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac, cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Nigga try to give me 5 mile water, I lay his ass down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. A lot of niggas out here playing they ball. I done put my whole arm in the rim, bitch cocky. And I know Poppy get a key for the party. Shawty better see them double C's, I bought her. Got a bitch that's looking like a leader, she a model. I got pink slip up my wings, ski list. Compton, I'm about to get the key to the city. Hey, like the city. We getting out the coupe at the lot. Calling for a 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so, got the cash app. Told him wipe a nigga no, say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can take that. And I really wanna know where you at. I've been moving them out, and steal it with me, then he got the blues in the pouch. Took her to the forest, put the wood in her mouth. Bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house. The private I'm flying in, I never wanna fly again. I take my chances in traffic. She sucking on dick, no hands with it. I just made the rolling plane like a landing strip. I'm a 2020 president candidate. I done put 100 bands on Zimmerman shit. I been moving real gangster, so that's why she pick a crit. Shawty call me Crisco, cause I pop my shit. Got it out the mud, there's nothing you can tell me. Yeah, when I had a job, South Street wealthy. Yeah, out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so, got the cash app. Told him wipe a nigga no, say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can take that. And I really wanna know where you at.
Thank you all so much for watching, and congrats to M4 Erick for those dubs. You know, you win some, you lose some. And let me know if you want to see more of him racing. Let me know if you want to see more of me racing. No, I'm just kidding, my car is too slow. But thank you all for watching, and please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. You know, it really means a lot to me. I really appreciate the support. And thank you all again. See you all next time. Peace out.